My fellow citizens, at this hour, American and coalition forces are in the early stages of military operations to disarm Iraq, to free its people, and to defend the world from grave danger.
Hope you found what you're looking for, but it all comes running down. Hope you found it painted black on your window, with lips how your love's frown. 'Cause if it died in the cold, when the clouds start to roll, is it then that your soul starts to bleed? Have you ever seen the president who killed your wounded child? Or the man that crashed your sister's plane, claiming he was sent of God? And when she died in your arms late that night in the dark, did you pray to your God to come home? 'Cause it ain't fair to say that these tracks are the same. So God, if you can hear me, crash this train. I said, God, if you can hear me, crash this train. Now I know you're the president and the government and the judges of this place. We're still waiting for you to bring our troops home and clean up that mess you made. 'Cause it smells of blood, money and oil across the Iraqi land. And it seems so easy to blind us. With your united we stand. It ain't hard to see that this country ain't free. So God, if you can hear me, crash this train. I said, God, if you can hear me, crash this train. To the mothers and to the fathers who done the best they could, 'cause raising young in a messed up world, it ain't so understood. So I cover my ears and my eyes, pretend love's the same. 'Cause with one chord signature, it all becomes erased. It ain't hard to tell when it's love that we sell. So God, if you can hear me, crash this train. I said, God, if you can hear me, crash this train. I said, God, if you can hear me, crash this train. I said, my God, if you can hear me, crash this train.
We will defend our freedom. We will bring freedom to others, and we will prevail. May God bless our country and all who defend her.